Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix lag on your Redmi smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So this is the common way that every smartphone lags, but if you are saying that it is too much of lag in this smartphone, you can just do 3 to 4 simple steps. In this video I will tell you step by step. So firstly you have to open your settings and click on this applications, and now you have to click on manage applications. Here it is search, and here you have to write Google Play Services, and just click on storage and clear cache this. Then you have to click on search again, and here you have to write Android. So here it is Android. You have to click on Android system and click on clear cache. Then friends, you have to simply press back, and if your smartphone storage is full, you have to release some of your storage. Just clear photos, videos, files that are not useful and that are not usable. Just uninstall or delete them. Then friends, you have to do a software update. So if it is lagging, it might be a something that the Redmi have launch a new software update, so it might be sometimes lags issues are coming, or is there any bug or something, you can just update to the next version of your software update and update all the application from your Play Store or system update from the settings. So keep your mobile up to date so you will not face any lag issues. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.